Good morning, students. I'm Shaila Goel, your psychology teacher. Today, we are going to understand more about learning. We have already done classical conditioning and operant conditioning, and in this session, we will understand observation learning. Observation learning is also known as social learning theory or social learning. Now, dear students, social learning or observation learning is the learning that occurs as a function of observing, retaining, and replicating behavior observed in others. You should understand that it's not merely observation, it is about the reward or the punishment or the reaction to that behavior that influences our behavior. It is most associated with the work of psychologist Albert Bandura, and he tried to do many experiments with the doll named Bobo doll. He initiated that social atmosphere or the environment influences an individual. Social learning theory was also known as aggression theory, and he tried to make people understand that the social context in which a person resides is also influencing that person. In the Bobo study, he took 66 nursery class students and divided them into three groups. In the first group, the condition was that the children saw the model being rewarded by the second adult. In all three situations, the film that was shown to the Bobo doll included the aggressive behavior towards the Bobo doll. The real model used to be very aggressive towards a Bobo doll. But in the first condition, it was being rewarded. In the second condition, it was punished. The adult person was asked to stop by the second one. And in the third condition, it was neither punished nor rewarded. Because of the way there was a reaction after the movie, there was different outcomes. To understand it more, let us first understand the observational learning. What is observational learning? When someone uses observation of a model's actions and the consequences of those actions to guide their behavior. Now we are understanding that there is a consequence which influences us. Learning how to swing a baseball bat after watching the player on TV. Learning how to use a feature on your phone after watching your friend use it. Right? In both the cases, there is an observational learning. Right? You are modeling the behavior yourself because you think that that person has done swing the bat very nicely or use the phone very nicely. What did Albert Bandura said? His findings led him to the development of the social learning theory by his extensive research. He said that the environment or the social context in which the learning occurs also influence an in person. Now he took three groups in which all the participants were shown a different movie where the consequences were different. All three movies, the Bobo doll was inflicted with the aggression. Now see the model. The model being the girl, and she's hitting the Bobo doll with something, and it is flinging up and down and hitting that Bobo doll very badly. Now the children, after watching this video, they also inflicted the Bobo doll with lots of harm. They punched, they pushed, they swinged it up and down. They hit it with the hammer. They hit it with the ball. They hit it with the gun. And they showed excessive aggression that was not shown by the model. What is the difference? The difference being that we are more creative. When we see that the model has not been punished, then we are encouraged to follow that behavior. And in this case also, the boy showed more aggression towards the Bobo doll as compared to the girls. Now, group 1 was rewarded, group 2 was punished, and group 3 there was no consequences. So, in the group 1 and group 3, there was more aggression, whereas in group 2, because of the negative consequence, the aggression was less. But it was also seen that when the girls were also rewarded, then their behavior was also equally aggressive. Now, 5 stages of observation learning according to Bandura are: first is attention. We are very attentive, we recognize the distinct features. Now, the features being that the model is hitting the Bandura doll. Now, retention. We remember the observed behavior. Now, you can see the girl and the boy were hitting the overall in the same manner because it has been retained in their memory. And we reproduce. When there was an attempt or reproduce the observed behavior, they included the retained behavior also and something more. They used the hammer, ball, and other things. And they were punching and pushing also as done by the model. So there is a retention also. Now, students, motivation of the observer must want to reproduce the observed behavior. See, if there was no punishment and when there was a reward, in this both the cases were being rewarded, right? They were motivating the observers to reproduce the behavior. Whereas when it was being punished, the observers were not motivated. They were demotivated to repeat that behavior. That is why the ratio in which they showed the aggression was less. Now, reinforcement. The reinforcement being the reward, being the reward that was given afterwards. And even if we are not saying no, and if we are not giving any punishment, then also we are it is more likelihood that the person will repeat that behavior because it is being unharmed, right? Reproduction is more. Now, how do we apply this observation learning in the real world? You can see that if we see Shah Rukh Khan, we repeat his behavior, right? Similarly, when our mother is teaching us how to cook, then we have attention. We recognize the distinct features, ingredients. We retain the information that she is giving. Then we reproduce the behavior, that is, we cook it. We ensure mother it motivates us, and when the cooking is good, we are enforced. Now, observation learning says that observing consequence is the key to the learning. Social context is of learning is also very important in social learning theory. When girls are rewarded, they become nearly as aggressive as boys. So we can't say that girls are less aggressive. So attention, retention, reproduction, motivation and reinforcement, all 5 equal to the observation learning. Thank you, students. I hope